Where were we? Oh, yes. The horseshoe crab fossil. These are what they looked like in ancient times. And, well, let's debut back for when they first appeared. This is a giant orthicone. They used to live during the Ordovician series, along with their natural prey, Pterygotus, the Titan sea scorpion. These soft-bodied animals are more like peaceful creatures. And let's travel to the Permian Seas. Here we have a few nautiloids and a few trilobite exoskeletons. Whoa, that's something you don't see every day. Excuse me. These are what the giant ammonites looked like in the Cretaceous seas. And I think those are orthocones, or should I say a Tussotothus. They're like soft-bodied animals. Peaceful creatures, if you ask me. Now then, let's head downstairs and see what we can find. Besides these sharks, of course. Really?